And if you wonder why it's really hard for you to make money as a trader, this is why. Over the weekend, we gapped down because of tariffs on Canada and Mexico, right? Threatening other countries with tariffs. And they're threatening tariffs back, and then they go into place, and now the market gaps down. Now, in the middle of the day, as we're sitting here, we have an indicator called resilience. And let me just put up a random stock, Tesla as an example. And in this particular mode, we had close here in Tesla and open here today. We gapped down. Now, what resilience is, this white line right here is a market cap weighted sum of what all the stocks are doing in their box. We know that stocks like to pivot through that box and touch that box all day long. It's where high volume is going to be. And so if every single stock was sitting on its halfway point, resilience would be 0. If just one of the 500 stocks in the S&P started moving slightly above, resilience would jump to 100. If all the stocks are flat and one of them started trading slightly below, resilience would jump to negative 100. It's a seesaw that's showing the weight of the market cap. Is it fluxing this way or that way? That's it. When you add up all the stocks. Now, some of the stocks are here, some of the stocks are there, some of the stocks are there. They're all over the place. But what we care about is that the majority of the market cap is pushing this way or this way through its gap. That's all it is. And then this looks at how far the SPY and QQQ are lagging behind that and tells you a value. If res is positive relative to the S&P, an added bonus to that equation is that resilience is going to trade higher. If resilience is trading higher, it means the S&P is lagging behind the stocks. And so what's neat today, and you'll learn this about a Trump era market when it comes to threatening tariffs, is that the market was trading lower and somehow we just jumped, geez, that's what, 200 points in the NASDAQ in 10 minutes. Do you notice something peculiar about the stocks, I don't know, 10 minutes ago? See, for some reason, and again, as people, this is why you join Rocket Scooter, the stock market never hides from you. The evidence is always there somewhere of somebody knowing something before we know it. And as we got the headline right here, as Mexico's president calls a press conference and states, we have delayed the tariffs for a month. Doesn't it make sense that right here and right here, oh, I don't know. Let's zoom into the exact moment. See, resilience, we get the exact up-to-date 2-second ticks on this thing. And let's get the big one out and see. Right about 9:16, the stocks took a bump. Is this interesting to you guys? And we got the headline at 9:21. You can see that people were covering their shorts very rapidly, 6 minutes before the headlines come out. And if you wonder why it's really hard for you to make money as a trader, this is why. Because this shit is unfair to all of us. The first thing they do before they make the headlines is call all their friends to let them know.